Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac using Apple's Handoff and Universal Clipboard features. This lets you copy text, links, photos, and other supported content on one Apple device and paste it directly onto another. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap AirPlay and Continuity. Look for Handoff and make sure it is turned on. Handoff allows your Apple devices to work together and is also required for Universal Clipboard. You'll want to make sure Handoff is enabled on every device you plan to use, including your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. On an iPad, you can find the same setting under Settings, General, AirPlay, and Continuity. On a Mac, open System Settings and search for Handoff, then make sure the option that allows handoff between your Mac and other iCloud devices is enabled. You should also make sure all of your devices are signed in to the same Apple account and that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Now let's test it. For example, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Select some text and tap Copy. Then move over to your Mac or iPad. Click or tap where you want the text to appear and choose Paste. The content you copied on your iPhone should automatically paste onto the other Apple device. You can also do this in the opposite direction by copying something on your Mac or iPad and pasting it onto your iPhone. And that's it. You now know how to copy and paste between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac using Universal Clipboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.